Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Brittany Lanice. And if you're not already part of the Bree fam, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button right below. And if you like this video afterwards, please don't hesitate to thumbs up. Alright guys, let's get started. So today I will be doing a natural hair tag. I found out about this tag from watching Teeth and Trindle's video. So if you haven't already seen her video or you're not familiar with hair, please head on over to her channel and check her out. And also this natural hair tag was created by Kimberly Sherrill. So I will link both of their channels in the description below. So in this natural hair tag, you guys will get to learn a little bit more about my natural hair and my preferences, either this or that. So let's get started. So the first question is, what is my hair type? So my hair type is between 4A and 3C. I have more of 3C in the front of my hair, and in the middle is more 4A, and towards the back is more 4A as well. So two hair types. And my hair is also low porosity. I have a hard time retaining moisture in my hair, so I do like to use a lot of warm waters and more of putting products in my hair when I am in the shower. Is my hair fine or thick? My hair is more on the finer side, but I will say my hair is more thicker, like in the middle of my head, but everywhere else my hair is more on the finer side. Who are my current hair inspirations? My current hair inspirations is Mahogany Curls, Jessica Lewis. When I first got into natural hair, I watched her videos religiously. I've been following her journey all the way since she first started YouTube. And then my second hair inspirations are the Glam Twins, Kelsey and Kendra. It's not about the way that hair looks, but just the way that they take care of their hair. All three of them, their natural hair journey, how their hair is more healthy and everything. Like, those ladies are definitely gold, so shout out to them. Thick or slippery deep conditioner? I'm a more slippery deep conditioner girl. Slippery deep conditioners tend to be more moisturizing for me, and also it's more easier to detangle my hair when I use a more slippery deep conditioner. So yeah, I'd rather have slippery over deep. Bonnet or scarf? Okay guys, look, I use both. Okay, I guess you could say I'm kind of a wild sleeper because my bonnet sometimes comes off at night, so I'd rather have my scarf on to have, you know, that backup, because your natural hair can never be more protected. And I also sleep on a satin pillowcase, so I use both of them. I use three, really. I use a satin pillow, I use a scarf, and I use a bonnet. Okay, gotta protect my hair. Twist out or braid out? I'm more of a twist out girl. This right here is the old 3-strand twist. I did this 3-strand twist a week ago, right before I went to Vegas. I did this 3-strand twist out. Oh, if you guys haven't seen my first vlog, my Vegas vlog, I will link the link up above here. Yeah, in that video you will be able to see my 3-strand twist when it was more fresher. I actually went to the airport and I recorded when I had my 3-strand twist in. So if you want to see my hair and also check out that video, click the link right above me. But yeah, I'm not really a braid out girl. I just don't like the way my braid outs turn out. Maybe I haven't done them enough to master them, but I will do a braid out tutorial for you guys. But I'm more of a twist out girl. Wash and go or rod set? Okay, I know rod sets are more time consuming, but I would rather do a rod set than a wash and go, because on my wash and goes, I really don't like how they turn out. I don't know what it is. It's not defined enough for me. Like, I'm not really one of those like afro, like natural puffy hair girls. I like my hair to be like more defined, so I really don't like wash and goes. If I do them, I like the first and maybe the second day, but after the second day, I'll be throwing twists in my head. So yeah, I'd rather do the rod sets. I know y'all say it takes long, but the definition and the sleekness of my rod sets when I do them is amazing. Perm rod set or flexi rod set? I will have to say flexi rod sets. When I do my flexi rod sets, I tend to get a more elongated curls with the way that I do my techniques with my flexi rods. So flexi rods over perm rods. If you hear crying, that's my little baby cousin in the background. Sorry guys. Shower or sink. I prefer the shower. It's more convenient for me to take my shower and to wash my hair. So I like to do my hair in the shower. And plus, I said I had low porosity hair, so it's better for me to apply my deep conditioner and my products when I'm in the shower, because that steam from the shower tends to moisturize my hair. So I am more of a shower girl. Air dry or diffuse? I like to air dry my hair. I really don't like to diffuse my hair. When I diffuse my hair, I feel like it creates more frizz. So I really do like to just air dry. And y'all, when I do my hair, I have to take a whole day for my hair. Like, I'm staying in the whole day if I'm doing my hair, because it does take my hair a very long time to air dry. Also, if you have watched my flexi rod set video, I will leave that link right above me. I did show you guys my dryer attachment hooded bonnet that I use to put over my flexi rods when I did them, to kind of help them dry faster. That's my little baby cousin, y'all. Say hi. Say hi to Raji. She just want to sit on my lap, guys. But we can't be on the phone though, okay? Alright guys, moving on. So, Flicky Edges or as they are. Y'all know, if you guys are subscribed to me and you have watched my other natural hair videos, you guys know that I am a Flicky Edges type of girl. Deep conditioners or oils? I'm not really into oils, because oils tend to weigh my hair down, and then my hair don't flow or move right. So I really do like deep conditioners more than oils. High bun or low bun? I'm a high bun girl, honey. Sit that bun right on top of my head. I really think I get that from being a dancer. Like, back in the day, I used to be a dancer, and y'all know dancers had to wear those buns back in the day. So yes, I'm a high bun type of girl. Bantu knots or finger coils? I never did the finger coils before. I feel like it just takes way too much time. So when I first went natural, I used to do Bantu knots all the time. I don't really do Bantu knots a lot now, but when I first went natural, Bantu knots was my go-to, because when I first went natural, I was transitioning. I didn't do the big chop, y'all. I just wasn't having it with the big chop. I tell y'all, I let my perm probably get like this long. And then I was like, all right, big chop. Yeah, mini big chop. So yeah, if you guys want to see me do a Bantu knot out, leave comments below and let me know if you would like to see me do a Bantu knot out. Protective styles in the summer or winter? I don't do protective styles that much, but if I did, I feel like it'll be more convenient to do them summer when you have natural hair. it might be more convenient to throw it in a natural hairstyle, because for me in the summer, it's hard to maintain my hair. Like, my hair definitely lasts longer in the winter than it does in the summer because of the humidity. And the humidity gets to my hair, and my hair will only probably last 2 to 3 days, and then I'm doing it again. And also in the winter, I don't like to do protective styles. I just had braids back in January, and y'all, when I tell y'all my scalp was freezing, it was freezing, okay? Wide tooth comb or detangling brush? I do use both, but I like to do a wide tooth comb better. I also feel like it detangles my hair better. Also, when I use a detangling brush, especially when I'm about to do my twist outs, I feel like it makes my hair shrink up a little bit more, and I really like for my hair to be more elongated than anything when I do my styles. So I'm more of a wide tooth comb girl. T-shirt or microfiber towel? I prefer a microfiber towel over a t-shirt, but really guys, it's whatever is at arm's reach. When I hop up out of the shower, the first thing I grab, whether it's a t-shirt or microfiber towel, but microfiber towels do tend to soak up that excess water out of your hair a little bit more than a regular t-shirt, but I do prefer microfiber towels over t-shirts. Gel versus no gel. I am a gel girl, okay? I tend to get away with no gel more in the winter versus in the summer. In the summer, I have to have my gel because the humidity will get to this head of mine and it will be tragic. So I do tend to be a gel girl. Length or health? I'll take the health of my hair over length any day. Even though I like for my curls to be elongated, I'd rather have healthy hair than long hair. Side part or middle part? If you've watched my recent videos, y'all already automatically probably already know that I am a side part girl. During my 25th birthday pictures, I asked my best friend whether I should do a side part or a middle part. She recommended me to do a middle part because it really brought out my face. And shout out to my best friend Real. Yeah, that middle part was banging. And when I did my 25th pictures, that was probably the first middle part I wore in a long time, but I'm a side part girl. And the last question is plastic cap or plastic bag? Plastic bag all day. Because y'all, the regular shower plastic caps do not fit all of my hair in them at all. And if I was to use a plastic cap, I would have to use 2 of them. They need to make plastic caps large enough for us natural hair girls because they do not work for me. So yes, I grab a plastic bag from the grocery store and I put 2 of them over my head when I do my deep conditioners. So that is all for you guys today. I hope you had a chance to get to know my hair a little bit more, and I tag all of you. So if you are a YouTuber, or if you already have a natural hair tag video, leave a comment in the description below, leave a link to your channel, and let me go check out your natural hair tags. And if you haven't already done a natural hair tag and you are a natural hair YouTuber, I tag you to do this natural hair tag. And when you do them, also leave a comment below and let me know so I can go check them out. Alright guys, so thank you for hanging out with me today, and if you are not already a Bree subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I know you want to. If you like this video and you want to see others, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, see you later. Bye.